Biogas has an increasing share in the energy generation from renewable sources in Germany. Biologically contaminated waters, the so-called surface waters, are produced in biogas plants all year round and may not simply be discharged into the environment. The surface waters are either collected in lagoons and subsequently spread to the fields, or are immediately pumped into the final storage facility and mixed with the fermentation residues. This is not only expensive, but also an unnecessary burden to the final storage facility. With its TerraOrganic, Terrawater has developed a modular technology treating the waters in such a way that they need not be spread to the fields any longer, irrespective of their COD values. In a first step, the surface water is concentrated up to 95% by distillate being extracted. For the process, TerraOrganic makes use of the waste heat from the cogeneration unit and is thus eligible to the German cogeneration bonus. All Terrawater technologies operate according to the principle of evaporation and condensation, thereby imitating the natural water cycle. Lagoon water is fed to the system via the mixing tank. The lagoon water enters the evaporation unit. Here it is preheated in the condenser and heated up to maximum 95 degrees in the external heat exchanger. The hot feed water is then sprinkled in the humidifier and brought into contact with cooler outside air in reverse flow. During the process, the air is heated and wetted. The extremely humid air flows into the condenser, where it cools down at the tubes with the cooler feed water, and water is separated from the air by way of condensation. At the same time, the condensation heat is used for preheating the feed water in the tubes, which adds up to the system efficiency. The condensate is collected in a tank and is then ready for further use. The cooler air is released into the environment. With the Terrawater systems, any water can be concentrated without chemicals, irrespective of its biological level. This makes the Terrawater technologies so unique. To make sure that slime or hard precipitations do not block the system, all tubes of the TerraOrganic are continuously cleaned with a tube cleaning system during ongoing operation. The stock of cleaning balls is sufficient for up to 6 months continuous operation. The concentrated surface water from the evaporator is collected and led to the mixing tank, where it is mixed with fresh surface water and re-fed to the evaporation unit. This process is repeated until the desired concentration has been achieved. Afterwards, the concentrate is pumped out and is available for further use. The produced distillate contains some COD residues and is pumped into the bioreactor for further treatment. The remaining COD is decomposed by bacteria in the ventilated bioreactor until the water may be discharged to the on-site pre-floodder. The bioreactor is heated so that a constant decomposition rate is guaranteed, even in the event of frost. The water quality is permanently monitored to make sure that only such water is discharged into the environment that complies with the regulations. Cleaned water is then pumped into the on-site pre-floodder and re-enters into the natural water cycle. All Terrawater systems may be operated with the waste heat of other technical processes. Irrespective of the power system, they can easily be switched off and on again at any time. Each and every site has its particular conditions. That is why the Terrawater engineers closely cooperate with customers' persons in charge during the entire planning phase. The result: tailor-made system solutions that operate reliably and independently. Via the internet, Terrawater has direct access to all of its systems. If an error occurs, the operator will immediately receive a fault analysis. Terrawater also provides direct field service all around the world. In this way, we safeguard your production. Salty groundwater, seawater, highly concentrated mineralic wastewater or biological wastewater from industry. Terrawater provides effective and eco-friendly solutions for the desalination and concentration of any water. Terra Basic, Terra Solar, Terra Saline, TerraOrganic. 100% chemical-free, sturdy, low maintenance, reliable.